Hi, it's Sabrina. Join me with a lineup of incredible experts as we inspire you.
It's you transcending
to redesign your life. I love this, one small change at a time. This is the Sabrina Soto Show. Come on in. Hi, welcome to my home and the Sabrina Soto Show. Today's intention is all about celebrating our lives because we only have one. Today we have TV personality Matthew Hoffman, spiritual astrologer Danielle Page, but first, my friend Eden Passante from Sugar and Charm is here to show us all of her tricks to throw the perfect home party. Hey Eden!
Thanks for having me. I'm so honored to be here. Thank you for having me.
I'm so happy you're here. You've had your blog for 15 years,
Yeah.
But I've actually been to Eden's house for a party and you really walk the walk, you talk the talk.
Thank
you
you.
really have the most beautiful house and you throw the best parties.
That was fun.
Because this whole show is about redesigning our lives.
Yeah.
And with redesigning your life, it's also bringing people in and celebrations and having your friends and family over. I think that's important
Yes,
to create
100%.
community.
Yep.
So I want you to show me how to do it in a very simple way.
Okay, we're gonna do that today.
Okay.
So we're gonna start with an easy appetizer.
Love that.
So it's whipped ricotta. It's from my book, just a few ingredients. Okay, so we're gonna add our cream cheese. All right, I will do it. Okay, you're gonna mix it then.
Okay.
So I have it softened. You have ricotta cheese and your cream cheese.
Okay.
And then we're gonna just do a couple tablespoons of oil. Just a little drizzle of oil here.
And then do we start mixing?
And then a pinch of salt.
Okay.
Got some sea salt. I love sea salt. Good quality sea salt makes all your dishes delicious. Okay, and then just whip it up on high, yeah. Well, maybe start low and then those might fly everywhere. It's gonna whip into like a smooth, that cream cheese. That's good.
Okay, here we are.
I think I'm gonna whip it even more because I
Oh.
wanna get it really creamy, like a nice creamy texture. So you can add a little bit more olive oil just to get it even creamier. For more of a whipped texture, you can always put it in your food processor. All right, I think that's probably pretty good.
Good.
Okay. So this is a pretty good consistency because it's thick and it's gonna hold our pipe when we
It
pipe it
looks
on.
almost like frosting.
Okay, so now we're gonna put it in our piping bag here. The best way always in the cup, right? Because it makes it so easy.
So you put it in a cup, the piping bag.
You put the piping bag in the cup, wrap the edges around, and then look how easy. And then you just pull it out. Right.
Look at that.
I know.
Okay, now
Right?
what?
And it's already cut. I'm gonna bring over our toasted crostini. Just, okay, so do like a little, how do I even say this? Like a little,
Like
okay.
that?
Like that.
Like,
Yep, oh, you got it? Yeah, oh my gosh,
like a
it's
Z.
so pretty.
Like a Z.
Yeah, I love
Okay.
that. Yeah, that's so pretty. Isn't it fun?
Yeah.
It's soothing. It's like a form of meditation. I realized, because I always loved cooking and baking when I was a kid too, and then now as an adult, I realized like what a form of meditation that was to just focus on what I'm making and nothing else.
Yep.
It's still like, if I'm stressed out, I'm like, I'm going to make cookies.
So I feel like these are sort of weird shapes and you could do a better job.
You can kind of go like this and then, so I'm gonna like put,
Okay, well,
see, so it's like you just put a little bit more pressure on. There's one more. So
Okay,
now
let
that
me
you
try.
know, you're gonna
Now
make
that
that
I
pretty.
know.
Just put more and more pressure. See?
yeah, that's better. See?
Okay, so we can add a couple things. So let's start with a little bit of orange zest.
Okay.
I'm doing the zest, and then you're gonna add a little drizzle of honey on each one.
Eden,
we
like,
go.
I swear if I would see
pretty
this, I think you had something very similar at your party. This looks,
It looks so good, right?
this looks
I
like
know.
something I spent a lot of money on or a
know.
lot of time doing.
That looks beautiful. And then instead of putting the whole flower on this, because people just, it's like little bite size, I just take off some petals. It's easier to eat that way. And add some petals. Look at that. Cute platter.
I'll eat the ugliest one. I'll let you choose. Oh my gosh, Eden.
I know, they look so good. Let's try it. Okay, cheers.
This is
These are
so
fun,
beautiful.
right? Oh, that bread too.
The orange and the
know,
honey.
I know.
And the salt, sweet and salt.
And the toasty bread. It's amazing. So we're gonna make 2 cocktails. I always have a signature cocktail,
Okay.
and then I like to have a mocktail.
I love that.
Like option for everyone. A gin and jam spritz, which is again.
Gin and jam?
Yes, I love easy. So gin and jam, and it's 3 ingredients. You have your gin, 2 ounces gin. Do you wanna do it?
No, go.
Okay, just kinda eye it.
Okay.
Really good. And then little step. And then about 2 tablespoons jam. And you can use any flavored jam that you like. Anything you, yeah.
I have never in
know,
my
it's
entire
wild.
life made a cocktail using jelly or jam.
Isn't that fun? Okay, and then add some ice. I'm gonna scoop some ice and then we're gonna shake it. Okay, my tip with shaking is you have to shake it for at least 20 seconds, like hard.
Okay, that's it? Okay, shake time?
Shake,
Okay.
shake like crazy. Faster.
Can't we just put it in a blender?
That's probably good. I think
Thank
it's been
God.
20 seconds. It's a good little workout though.
Yeah.
Just strain a little in there, a little
Okay.
in here. And then you can, if it doesn't come, oh yeah, perfect. And now this one, you can kind of shake it if it's not coming out fully, yeah. See?
Wow.
Isn't it a pretty color too? And then we do, this is like a lime sparkling water. So we're gonna top it off with this.
Okay.
That gives it its little spritzy bubbles.
Can you put this in a picture if people like are
Yes,
coming
you
over?
can make a picture of this. That would
Okay.
be great. Since it's blackberry jam, let's garnish it with some blackberries.
Oh, wow.
You can always put an edible flower. We'll do some mint.
Okay.
A lot, like anything you really want to garnish it with. Okay, so just garnish it with a little bit of mint, and there you go.
Look at these.
Perfect.
I don't even know what they taste like yet, but look how pretty they are.
They're
Look at how
really
pretty.
Okay, let's take a little sip. Right?
You know what I love about this? The herbal taste of the gin paired with the sweetness of the blackberry fruit spread.
And it's not that sweet, right?
Not at all. Cheers.
Cheers. That was fun. Okay,
So mocktail time.
yes, so we're doing mint lemonade. So we have our water here, and then you can pour in our lemon juice. Fresh squeeze only, ever.
Yes.
Ever. Like,
That's the only thing. Take the time to actually
Yes.
juice a lemon or a lime. And this recipe, I take it, is on your website.
yep. And then this is a mint simple syrup that we made. Sugar, water, and mint. Dang, look at you. Was it good? I'm glad.
It actually is delicious.
Okay, then throw in a bunch of lemon slices, and then we're gonna top it off with ice. Okay, perfect. And then ice, we're gonna do a lot. We're
Okay,
gonna
do
fill
a
it
lot of
all
ice.
the way.
That's it.
That's literally it. And then we'll garnish it with more mint.
I'm gonna stir it up.
Perfect. And then throw big sprigs of mint.
Okay.
Like a lot.
A lot?
Fill it,
Okay.
yeah, just fill it.
Fill it. Oh, I love
Gosh,
mint.
that's so pretty. Perfect. I love that. Stir it in, throw more on the top. That's it. So easy.
This is,
Isn't it fun?
in Spanish we say caché.
Oh, I love that.
Caché, it's like elevated,
It's like elevated,
classy.
good, yeah. I know. Somewhere, oh yeah.
Here, this one's for you.
Oh, thank you. Okay. I'm gonna taste it right now. Oh my gosh, so good. It is good. I love, wow, you're thirsty. Okay, cheers.
That is delicious. It's about taking everyday things that you drink, like a lemonade, and just taking it up just one notch. With that mint,
And you can taste it, so
you
yeah.
taste it, and while you're drinking it, you can smell the mint. So it just brings this
It's like, yeah.
caché.
Yeah.
So we have 2 drinks, 2 options, an appetizer. You need to teach me how to do your
gonna
signature setting it up.
I'm gonna show you how to make a cozy atmosphere with just like 5 things. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do it.
After you.
Okay.
I won't eat anymore. I love the setup of a party, but I need your kit of the must-haves.
Okay, so the must-haves. This is a funny one that people are always like, this is part of your, but I use these faux sheepskins year-round.
This is something that I would never have thought of. These chairs, I love how minimal they are, but they don't give that
The cozy
inviting vibe.
I know.
This
And
is
they're
the
soft
easiest way to do it. I love the tablecloth to be able to either use fabric, bring some sort of theme, just by the pattern alone.
Whatever theme you're having or seasonal, you change it up to that and it adds instant charm.
And I love the cloth napkins. Like, I love how it's not matchy.
You use what you have.
Right.
So you can bring it in. It doesn't have to be super
It doesn't
matchy.
have to be perfect.
Yeah.
Candles for ambiance.
100%.
It looks so elegant.
And it's beautiful. Yeah.
And I love
Affordable, too.
the detail of the candles too.
Yeah.
It's those minor details that go such a long way.
Yep. And then flowers, which you can pick from your garden, use that, or, you know, farmer's market flowers, or order from a florist.
Florals can be complicated for a lot of people, but I think if you're getting florals at the grocery store, the way to make it easy is monochromatic.
Yeah.
You know,
Well,
just
yes,
keep it to one
that's
color.
such a good tip.
Right?
Mhm. This looks amazing.
I feel like I should invite some people over just right now.
Or you and I could just have a party.
Okay.
We're just gonna sit down right now.
Eden, I'm telling you, you've inspired me. I feel like I am now equipped to have people over and make it look beautiful.
Okay,
And it just took minutes to set up.
I know.
Thank you.
No.
Next time you come over for a party, you're gonna be so impressed.
I'm gonna be so happy
And
to
I'm
see
gonna,
all
like,
these
eat and
sheepskin
talk me.
everywhere. These faux sheepskin.
It looks so good.